Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set passcode lock on the emo because it gives us more security and no one can see your emo chat when he will open because it will not open without passcode lock. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Firstly, open the emo and you will see profile icon, click on it, and then you will see security and privacy option, click on it, and then you will see passcode lock, click on it, and click on enable and select the passcode. After selecting the passcode, re-enter your passcode and then click on skip options. So in this way your passcode lock is enabled. If you want to set the time on the passcode lock, you can select the time according to you. So when you will open the emo, it will ask about the passcode locks. Let's try. So you can see that it asks about a passcode. So when we will put a passcode, then it will open. So in this way you can set a passcode lock on the emo. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.